going on, you guys? Raymond over here at Signature Performance Tire and Wheel. Got another beautiful build here right behind me. Robert brought the build in for us. Wanted to do some upgrades to a Sprinter. As you can see, this isn't your typical Sprinter that's on the road. It's a little bit higher than what you're going to see out there. It's a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter 2500. Customer was looking to upgrade his shocks, add some side steps, some fender flares, and also go bigger with the tire. And as you can see, something we definitely achieved here. We get a lot of customers calling us, asking us for builds like this, trying to create more ground clearance, trying to be able to go over terrain pretty easily, especially with the tire setup. And Robert came in just asking just for that. So this is the build behind me that we end up doing for him to help achieve that, and to also help with other things as well and give him more of a beefier stance with this build. So of course, as you can see, let's start with the wheels and tires. That seems to be the always popular way to go about this. So we end up equipping this van here with a 275/70 R17 on a 17 by 8 inch wheel with an 8 inch back spacing. So this is a very popular fitment for these Sprinter vans. Definitely recommend doing a 32 inch tire on an 11 inch wide. We also end up doing a mud flap relocation kit on this guy to allow more clearance and to make sure that when he is overlanding or going over that terrain, he's gonna be able to have that full travel without having to rub inside those wheel wells. And then also we end up doing some Fox 2.5 Elites, fully adjustable. So he has the capability of adjusting the dampness of that shock. So he can either go firm or soft depending on how he wants that ride quality. So this setup right here is actually gonna allow you a couple inches of ride height to get you the full clearance of these 32s without having any issues really. We find that this is the best setup at the end of the day to achieve both ride height, going overlanding, and then making sure that he's not gonna have any rubbing issues going forward. And then for the back, we actually end up doing the Fox 2.5 just to match what we did on that front there. Fully adjustable as well. So of course, again, adjusting both firmness to soft depending on what the customer would like. And then to also achieve the lift on the back end, we end up doing a 1 to 1.5 inch mini pack that goes right underneath that leaf spring to help eliminate all that sagging that these vans are known for doing. So this is going to help the customer essentially add more load inside the back of the van and make sure that the ride height's still pretty good across the board from rear to front. So now that we got the lift done here, obviously trying to get in and out of the van is going to be a challenge for some. So we actually end up outfitting this van with Rome-built side steps. And as you can see, it has a nice little feature up front there in the back to where it's creating a nice little side step. And it's dressed up in a nice textured black finish to kind of give it that rugged style look. And then the last piece of this van we ended up doing is the customer wanted to upgrade his fog lights. His previous fog lights weren't bright enough, so we actually ended up adding in some Baja Design fog lights, clear lights, just to make sure to give him some extra lumens there, and it ended up being a really nice setup to complement this build. All right, so if you're ever thinking about doing a build like this, obviously we want you to come down here to a good old Costa Mesa, California, Orange County to be specific. A build like this does take a few days, so if you want to take those few days to enjoy it with your family and friends, either go to the beach, go to Disneyland, go to Knott's Berry Farm, you're going to allow us the opportunity to work on this van and do the things that you want us to do to it as far as with the lift, wheels, tires. Just like Robert here, we're always excited to help the next person and help with their build and get it to where it needs to be, right? Depending on what they're after. You can either ask for myself, my name is Raymond, you can ask for Jimmy, Jacob, or Daniel, and we're all here available to help you guys out with any questions on your next build. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on that next build.
Well, you asked and you received. No longer gonna get me. Meet Raymond Casillas, your new YouTube video guy. Maybe we'll get Jimmy on camera, Jacob, Jason, anybody? Somebody else than me. Let him know how well he did or did not do below. We want all the feedback. All the feedback. Give him the feedback.
Feedback's always appreciated.
Maybe not.